Welcome to CPA Pirate. Inside our real-life case study, we will show you how we're building unlimited passive income machines for $5 a day and turning each of them into $332.25 a day in totally passive income, and how you can do the same every single day. If you are still struggling to make a steady online income, it is probably because you don't have a proven step-by-step plan that you can follow. And if so, you should pay close attention for the next 2 minutes. We just want to let you know that we've been there, jumping from one method to another and failing over and over and over again. Unfortunately, without a proven to work formula, it's very hard to see any kind of results. Well, we finally managed to break through, and it was all thanks to CPA marketing, combined with a simple traffic trick even an 8-year-old could implement almost instantly. This formula is something very few people know about, and the people that do are all missing a key element we discovered while testing and perfecting it. But what's in it for you? It's a no-brainer. You don't need a website. You don't need an email list or a product. And you can start getting high-quality traffic that makes you passive commissions for as low as $5. This is a 100% newbie-friendly, easy-to-implement, step-by-step formula based on a real-life case study. You'll be able to start making money online easily and faster than you ever thought was possible without actually selling anything. You'll be finally able to see real results while working 20 to 30 minutes a day. You don't need any special marketing or tech skills. All you need is a computer with an internet connection. Right now, you can get our real-life case study for a discounted price, but don't wait too long because the price will be going up significantly very soon. This is literally the last online course you'll ever need to get to finally see real online profits. And $332.25 in 24 hours is just the beginning. Check out all the income proof and testimonials below this video. If you're ready for a flood of traffic and commissions, click the Buy Now button below, and we'll see you on the inside.